how to transfer money from WeChat to PayPal. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can transfer money from WeChat to PayPal. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to ensure that your WeChat wallet is linked to your Chinese bank account. All right, that is the first step. So after your WeChat wallet has been linked to your Chinese bank account, next step is to go to the wallet section. So there are two ways. All right, if you're in a region where the feature is supported, you would move to the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on the me icon. After clicking on the me icon, you'll be taken to your profiles page. On this page, amongst the settings here, you will see the option wallet. All right, but for me, I am currently in a region that is not supported by this, and so wallet is not being displayed here. But there's another way to go about it. The second way is to go back to the chat page. All right, and then once you're on the chat page, move to the top right corner and click on the plus icon. So by clicking on the plus icon, the next step is to click on money. After clicking on money, you'll be taken to your wallet page where you would see your bank cards. All right, just select the option bank cards and then select your linked bank account. All right, after selecting it, transfer the desired amount from your WeChat balance to your bank account. Now, the reason I cannot show us vividly here is because I have not linked my wallets, my WeChat wallet to my Chinese bank account. That is because I cannot do so at the moment. But for you, once you've done that, okay, just click on money and then go to your bank card, select your linked bank account, and then transfer the desired amount from your WeChat balance to your bank account. Once the money has been transferred from your WeChat balance to your bank account, log in into your bank account, and then on your bank account, you can now transfer the money to from your bank account to PayPal. All right. But then make sure the PayPal account that you are sending the money to is verified and is linked to your bank account or your credit card. Then go ahead and make the transfer. So that is how you can transfer money from WeChat to PayPal. Very simple. Thanks for watching and have a good time practicing this.